OnePlus 6 speaker not working even after replacing the ringer. This is likely a CPU disconnect issue common in the Snapdragon 845 chips. In this video, we are prepping the motherboard after removing the double-decker CPU. Watch how we use a soldering iron and desoldering whip to perfectly clean the BGA pads. Removing the old solder and flux residue is critical before reseating the Raybald CPU. Once the CPU is Raybald and installed, the audio lines will reconnect, and the sound will be restored. Technical tips for this repair: OnePlus 6 CPU. Chips type: remember, this is a pop package on package or double-decker chip. You must remove the RAM first, then the CPU. Audio lines: the audio protocols, LIN-bus/I to S run directly under the CPU. A dry joint here cuts the audio path, which is why Rayballing fixes it. Temperature when cleaning the pads is shown in your video. Keep your iron temperature around 350 degrees Celsius, 370 degrees Celsius to avoid scraping the mask off the motherboard.
Like what?